Welcome back to the channel where we help you customize your favorite apps to match your preferences. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to disable music on the Kahoot app on your phone. This tutorial will walk you through the entire process in just a few simple steps. First, open the Kahoot app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then, in the top right corner, click on the settings icon. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Music. This is where you can control whether music plays during your Kahoot sessions. Finally, you'll see a toggle switch next to the music option. Simply tap on that toggle to turn off the music feature. And that's it. You've successfully disabled music on your Kahoot app, and now you can enjoy a quieter gaming experience. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.